IONQ stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is IONQ stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this very brief short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And I'm going to tell you that with IONQ, I'm looking to take things further up. From what I saw yesterday, yes, we kind of opened quite harsh, very low, and then it went up, started consolidating, whatever. From what I see with the price here, the one thing that I would care the most about is a shift like that. Right? If I do not see that happening, bro, then I'm not going to be basically buying. And all I will be doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. Out of them, in with IONQ, I got a bunch of like 13 receipts here in the Discord. So there's really like not lack of receipts there. And the whole bias for me is to the top, but it's just getting the timing correct. Like before here, this was Gucci. This was also Gucci here. And then it started kind of consolidating. So I'm not going to assume stuff. I'm just going to react to whatever the price is going to give me here. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.